Welcome to Samvad. What is Samvad? Samvad is an interactive dialogue series initiated by School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership, wherein all the institutional leaders of MIT ADT University are invited to talk about what are the important skills that are required for a student to transform into a professional. For this, today we have with us Dr. Satish Patil sir, HOD, Civil Department, School of Engineering. He is here to share his experience and thought regarding the skills that are very important for a student to start his career. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ruchira. First of all, I would like to congratulate the students who have been admitted in the prestigious MIT ADT University, Pune. And secondly, I congratulate them for wisely choosing the civil engineering branch. It is often called as the mother branch of engineering.
Very true, sir.
Exactly. All other branches like computer, IT, automobile, mechanical, all these branches, they have been evolved from the civil engineer. Few decades ago, usually when a person was being called as an engineer, it was understood that he is a civil engineer.
Yes, we saw it in many movies also.
Yeah,
Sir.
exactly. So the core branches of the engineering are the mechanical, electrical and civil in that. So again, I congratulate you for wisely selecting the branches, the civil engineering branch. Then students, when you come across your professional life as a civil engineer as well as a contractor, we have to deal with various type of persons, right from the top management up to the laborers.
Yes.
How to handle them and how to get the work done. Here comes into picture SCIL, School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership.
Very true, sir.
It plays the important role in developing the overall personality development of the students, as well as the professional skills are developed in these SCIL courses, like credit courses as well as the non-credit courses are offered by the SCIL school, so that the students, when they pass out from the college after the BTech, they are industry ready.
Very true, sir. Very true. In fact, sir, I would like to share that we have our intervention from even the fourth semester for our students, and it goes on till the pre-final semester in their career as an engineer. So in the pre-final year, we take mock GDs and PI sessions so that they can feel the pressure that they are actually going to face when they undergo a true actual GD and PI session. So for them, we are making them industry ready.
Exactly. At this point, I would like to share my own personal experience. I graduated in 1990.
Okay.
At that time, we were in total darkness when we
Yes.
enter into the construction world, construction industry. We
True,
were
sir.
not knowing anything. Only the theoretical
Knowledge.
concepts were clear,
Yes,
but
yes.
how to face the problems at site,
True.
it was a big question mark in front of us.
True, sir. Very true.
So over the period of the time, as the experience grew, we have developed all these skills.
True, sir.
And we are very lucky and happy enough to share that we are offering this personality development as well
True.
as the professional skill development courses to
True.
our students,
True, sir.
right from the second, third and final year students.
True, sir. In fact, for the aptitude also, we are having the competitive aptitude sessions for which the students earlier used to go outside and pay and then take the coaching and
Exactly. Say, when the students, they come out of the college after completing their graduation,
yes,
there is a cutthroat competition.
very true, sir.
So in order to cope up with the cutthroat competition, the SCIL courses, credit as well as non-credit courses, mock test, then the personality development, group discussion, it will help the students to become the industry ready.
Very true, sir. Very true.
Exactly.
Very true. So thank you very much, sir, for giving us your time from your busy schedule. You take out time to come here and share your thoughts with us. We are committed to preparing our students to become professionals. We require a very strong support from your side and also your inputs so that we can improve and better ourselves as facilitators and give our best to our students.
Exactly. Thank you, Ruchira, for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts with
Yes,
the
sir.
prosperous students.
Yes,
So at the end, I would like to tell one thing that, say, students are already paying the fees for all these courses.
yes, yes.
But if they are not tapping the potential
True.
available in these courses,
yes,
don't let it be unutilized.
yes,
It is
yes.
just like the when we check in the 5-star hotel, and at the end when we check out, when we look at the services offered by the 5-star hotel, and if we are not unutilizing those services, don't be the same situation.
Exactly, exactly. So, as sir has appealed, I would also request our students to take the best out of the courses that are being available and being offered through the School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership. Thank you very much.
Thank you.